Wala masyadong bagay sa akin. Ang hirap hanapan ng mukha ko.
Ito, bagay sa'yo.
Ay,
Ako.
ay. Sandali, seryoso tayo dito.
Okay, sorry.
No, I want to choose from Ray-Ban only because I just got Prada. So, wala lang, for the vibes. Ako din siya. Say hello.
Hello. Is that it?
Yes, Daisy said. Daisy said, where is KD?
I'm here.
He is here. May bigote ka rin naman.
Acne kasi. Ang hirap eh. Tanggal ko na to. I'm gonna remove it.
KD, tanggalin mo bigote mo.
Ngayon, ikaw na.
Only I can say that. Ako lang ang pwede mang-utos dito. Charot.
Naku po.
Can I see KD? There you go.
Hello. Ito, I have this.
The Mega?
Mm.
It's exactly the same?
No, color green. I have a
Green?
color green. Yeah, it's a dark green. It looks like black, but when you look close, it's
Wag na yung black. Okay.
Tapos, it's reflective. So,
Sinusuot ko lang for the vibes. But thank you guys so much. Okay guys, goodbye. Thank you
Are
so
you hungry?
much.
Ay.
No.
Okay, sige.
I need to lose weight.
No.
Bye.
Perfect. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye, guys.